Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on Power Query, whereby we will try to transform these data so that we can get the unique list. As we can see over here, we do have this particular database. We do have the list of trainings from day 1 up to day 3, and we have the list of students. So we want to see the list of students who have only attended 1 day training. As you can see over here, like we have Aiden, Andy and whatnot. So if you look here carefully, Emma has attended the training more than 1 day. As we can refer over here, Emma has not only attended day 1 training, she has also attended day 2 training, and she has also attended day 3 training. So basically on this particular list, instead of seeing those who attended more than 1 day, I just want to know which particular participants has only attended 1 day training. So let's get started. So in this case, we will use Power Query to get the unique students who have only attended 1 day training. So what we need to do is, the first step is we press Ctrl A. Once you press Ctrl A, you will highlight the entire table. And then what you need to do is you go to data. Once you go to data, under the section of get and transform data, you click on the icon called from table slash range. You click this icon, you will notice that a box will appear. So in this particular box, what you need to do is you press OK. So the moment you press OK, you will notice that you will be navigated to Power Query Editor. So I'll press OK. So once I press OK, you will notice that you will be navigated to Power Query Editor. So in this Power Query Editor, what we'll do is we will do some transformation. So what I'll do first is I'll press here right click, and then I'll go to unpivot other columns. So when I unpivot other columns, basically it will transpose the other columns. So as you can see over here, it has transposed the other columns. So now we do have the students or the participant list, and we have the day of training list. So then what's the next step is we will go to transform, and then we go to group by. So once you go to group by, so basically what we'll do is we want to group the data. So I'll click advanced, and I want to group by value. So value in this case means the participants, and then followed by the training. So I'll click by attribute, and we want to count the number of days. So what I'll do is I press OK. So once I press OK, you will notice this is the list. So what I'll do is, the first thing is I'll arrange the value in an ascending order so that it is sorted from A to Z. So if you look here carefully, Emma has attended in day 1, day 2 and day 3. But our intention is we don't want to find the duplicates. We want to find the unique list, whereby we want to know the participants who have only attended for 1 day training. In this case, for example, Aiden has attended day 1, Amani has attended day 1. But Andy, he has attended day 1, day 3 and day 2. So in this case, I want to know the participants list who have only attended 1 day training. So how to do it? So if just say we want only the unique which has only appeared one time, what we do is we go to home, and then we click on keep rows. So we click on this keep rows, and we want to click on keep the unique list. But however, there is no unique list. So what we do is we keep duplicates. When we keep duplicates, the duplicates list will remain. But our intention is we want to keep the unique listing. So how to do is we click on the formula bar. So instead of the selection of rows which is more than one, I want to choose to equal to 1. So once you press equal to 1, you will notice that those students who have only attended the 1 day training, those are the lists that will appear. So now I will try to remove the other columns. So now you'll get this list, and then what you do is you press close and load. So once you press close and load, so now this is your data. So these are the students who have only attended the 1 day training.